Hi everyone, Siavash here from ClinicSync Pro. We've been quiet a little bit recently and working in the background to bring you something very exciting. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about our very latest product, which is ClinicSync Pro AI Receptionist. We're releasing this at the moment for our Jane users to just make the whole process of using our developer booking API that you already been using to do your booking, cancellation, and rescheduling basically completely automatic. So it's like a plug and play. And I'm going to show you in a couple of other videos on how to actually go ahead and set that up. But to just give you an overview, on your dashboard, you should now have access to upgrade to this product. Once you upgrade, you will basically see a dashboard like this. So I'm just going to talk about this dashboard for a second, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how actually the whole thing is going to work. So as soon as you basically upgrade and load the dashboard, what it's going to happen is, as you can see, these are going to be all the details we fetch from your Jane. So we get all your providers, all the services, and all the locations that you have. Now, the beauty of this is you can actually go and select and tell the platform, hey, these are the staff, these are the services, or these are the location that I want the AI to be able to book for. So you can actually click this on and off to be able to tell it what you want to be available for AI booking. Now, on the right-hand side, you will see some more stats. So basically, we are able to tell you how much money you're making out of each booking that happens with the AI. Obviously, this is based on the scheduled treatment prices that are within Jane, and it's not about attendance and those kind of things. We also give you an AI capacity as well that allows you to use 333 AI tasks for every month that you have this product, and you also have this auto top up as well. Now, this is going to be plug and play. However, for those of you that you want to go ahead and basically have access to your own AI prompting and also do your own voice AI or any other things. Now you have access to a whole level of new APIs down at the bottom. So if I scroll down, this is for you developers that you want to build your own AI. And now you have access to a whole lot of things. So basically now you can fetch all the stuff, fetch all the treatments, fetch all the locations within that Jane account. And then you can also in real time check for availabilities. Now the beauty of this is if you've previously used our other developer API, you have to basically sync your calendars with Jane using Google Cal or Calendar Bridge. But with this thing, you can in real time call these APIs and it will tell you if there's an availability during that period of time that you're asking for or not, because now we can read everything like shifts, appointments that are already booked there, and basically give you those availability. And then obviously you can look up for a patient or create a patient. So it does both of them for you. And then you got your typical create an appointment, book an appointment, cancel, and reschedule. So there's a whole lot of things that you can do with this first version of ClinicSync Pro AI Receptionist. And yeah, I'm just gonna pause this here. Super excited to go through and show you how it actually works in real life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.